Select the Icons tab on the left-hand panel. Above the search bar, you'll find 5 boxes with the icons you've pre-selected. Click each box to change your icon. If you'd like to edit your selection, simply hover over the icons you don't want and click X to remove them. Then, search or select relevant keywords to find the icons you want instead. Simply click your desired icon to add it to your selection. Then, click on it again to update your logo. Use the slider on the right-hand panel to change its size. You can also click the Center Group button to auto-adjust all your logo elements.